Hello guys, today we will speak about the modifications what I have done to my CRF 300L. This is my bike. Let's begin from the front. The first, tires. The stock IRC tires, especially in the mud, are very slippery, not so good. So I decided to change with the Pirelli Rallycross MT21. You see, this is a very good tire. I like it also on tarmac. It's okay also on the mud, sand, like you see. It's a very good tire. I'm very pleased with my choice. Okay, on the back I still have the stock IRC tire. I ordered already the Michelin tracker. But I have to mount it on the bike. Let's see the handlebars. I changed the handlebars. That was the first step, because I have 1.80 centimeters, and for the bike for me was a little bit low. These handlebars are the Pro Taper Contour CR High model. The bike is totally changed now with this setup. It's a very nice setup. Okay. Then let's take a look at the handguards. This is the Acerbis. If I think it's I don't know exactly the model, but you will find everything linked in the description. Okay, you can see I had already some crashes. It's only plastic, no aluminum inserts, but it's very good. For me, it's okay. Yes. The next one is the frame guards. The frame guards are from Yamato. You see, they are very good. I had some crashes, and I wear MX boots, and I already saw some scratches and dents on the frame. Now it's much better. Okay, skid plate. You see, the skid plate is also from Yamato. It's a little bit. Okay. You see, it has some scratches and dents. It's protecting the bike very good. I hit some rocks, stones, everything, logs. It's very good and protecting the bike very well. You can see here I already hit some rocks, and it's protecting also the water pump. It's okay. Okay. The tail tidy. The tail tidy. I ordered also from Biker Brits. I think it's the higher C model, but I will link it on the description, and you will find everything there. Okay, it's very nice looking, much better than the stock one, much shorter and also very solid. Yeah, and the last one, the last modification what I added to my bike is the is the 22 tooth sprocket. You see here. Yeah, I kept the stock on the front, but I changed this on the back. The bike is like a new bike. It's totally changed. More torquey on the low end. It's a nice mod. Okay, yeah, and the last modifications, this mirror, you see, you can close it like this. It's a very cheap mod from AliExpress China. And also I ordered this spacer, you see here, this spacer for the brake line. When I'm sitting on the bike, I can clearly see the dash, no problem. It's a very cheap and good mod. Okay. For now, these are the modification for the Honda. I want to change also the exhaust. I am thinking to buy the Yoshimura RS4, but I still waiting to find some options. Okay, if you have tried something nice and not so loud, please comment below the video. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This was the video for today, and see you at the next video. Bye.